So, and that's really going back to something you said, which is, notwithstanding what you've gone through, there's that struggle. There's that very real struggle to, be strong, but also stay,
Humble one.
but soft also in your core to keep that tenderness that that you really are, not to completely lock that away, especially when you've gone through things. And I think that for me was part of the reason, like, we have the vision that we do to improve the lives of kids, because kids get wrapped up, like kind of pulled up in these things. And, we can't always directly help the children, but if we can help the grown-ups that are involved with the cases, if we can call them to be their highest and best selves, if we can, put ourselves in the position, through the legal process to reach in and actually serve the kids that are involved in a case or affected by a legal case, I think that's a really big deal, because probably like you, there were things going on in our household that lots of people knew about and nobody said or did anything about. And I don't want ever, anyone to, come to us and not get help. It's okay.
Yeah, it's rough. And even though I try to keep my heart pure as much as I can, I did go through dark times, and I feel like I've just kind of always been a dreamer. And it's something that kind of keeps me going, even though it's hard to sometimes be, a little bit more in the moment and enjoy that. But for me, dreaming was what got me out. And knowing that I wasn't alone, because my grandma always believed, and maybe we can be the grandma to those children that need it as well.
Well, I think that's what makes us uniquely situated to assist with these situations, because we understand the real impact of turning that blind eye.
Yep.
Or maybe not even turning that blind eye, but like just not knowing, when people just don't know what to do. The thing that actually breaks my heart the most is when I know that there's something going on in a family and we're working, through the court system to try to assist, and it's slow, and it's not super responsive, and it's almost like, you're waiting for, imminent harm, sometimes, and so a kid has to actually be harmed to help, and that to me is the toughest part, and so. That's why I try, I'm so glad to have, you, young as you are, and with the heart that you have, to come and be involved in providing the services that we do to our clients, because it is actually that history, that understanding of what's really going on and what's really important in these matters that really, to me, makes all the difference.
Definitely. It makes us have empathy, even if we don't go through the same thing that they went through. And I'm definitely very grateful for that. I'm grateful it was me and not someone else. I'm grateful I was able to learn from that and bring this to your firm, and, hopefully be able to help a million children as well.
Yeah.